Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
Morning, morning, morning. Are you all okay? So anyway, I watched back my video this morning a little bit here and there, and I think I'm going to try and alter something. Anyway, so this is the 7-band HF antenna switcher. I'm going to attempt to simplify the design. Might be an evolution or a devolution, depending how you look at it. Anyway, let's get on with it. So what we're going to do today, I think we're going to get rid of the pins. We're going to recreate the whole model to the side and then hide this one. And then we're going to alter the design substantially, if possible. Okay, just to make it easier to build and simpler and easier to build. Take more advantage of the 3D printer. So we'll have taken more advantage of that. We'll make it less problematic, hopefully. Okay, so let's just do that then. So let's switch everything on, apart from the aluminium strip. We're going to copy that whole thing. Let's copy it this way. Let's say 100 mil. No, 500 mil. Okay, so we've got two of them now. So we're going to hide this one, create a new layer, call it original design. I'm going to group that together, put it in original design. We're going to disappear original design. I'm going to come over to original design, but one we can alter. Now we've got to be careful not to alter the original. So we need to make everything unique. So let's do that first. The knob can stay the same. Right, we'll make that unique. So we'll make. Let's go around making everything unique first. Oh, why isn't that unique? That's because it contains more than one thing. We're going to lose that, hopefully, so we won't need that. So we're going to hide that. Chassis aluminium. Well, let's just take it off. Let's delete it. Let's just make sure we don't lose anything else at the minute. So make sure I haven't selected anything else now. So chassis aluminium. Tell you what, we'll just hide it for now. Hide the chassis aluminium. I'm going to keep the SO239s. They're going to be as they are. These are going to be unique. So we need to keep one. So tell you what, let's keep that one. To make it unique, and then we're going to delete that. Let's get rid of those. Okay, so we can keep the minimum. Keep two of these at the minute. Yeah, so I think we can get rid of a few of these. Let's get rid of a few of these. I'll keep 2. And let's get rid of the PCB. Let's get rid of the PCB. Let's get rid of the pins. All the pins. So we've kept the original. Don't forget, we haven't got rid of the original. Alright, so we've got rid of all them. So the original's still there. If you have a look, original design is still there. Apart from we've turned the lid off. We've turned the aluminium lid and that, so we've still got the original design. There it is. So we haven't got rid of it. Original design. Let's turn that off. Right, so we're back over here. Now I'm going to get rid of these off the base, so I need to make that unique. Make it unique. Right, so I need to get rid of these. Yeah. So we're undoing a lot of work, which makes it simpler. It's making it simpler. I've got an idea. Hold on, lads. I've had an idea. Not another one. Now, it doesn't mean to say we're getting rid of the first one. We're going to try this new idea, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Now, do we need that many studs? Because there's a hole in the top piece. I don't think we need that many studs, but it might help to locate it. We'll look at that again in a bit. So we don't need these now. Okay, so keep that the same. Let's have a look at the lid. We don't want that anymore. Hang on. Is that the... Yeah, get rid of that one. Okay, so that's good. So far so good. Right. So far so good. So let's look at the lid. The lid will stay the same at the minute, and the aluminium will stay the same. Okay, we're going to alter that now. Oh, we need to make sure they're unique. So let's make it unique so we don't alter the original design at all. That's already unique. To make sure everything else we're working on is unique. Yeah, they're all unique. The shaft, that's already unique. Oh. Right, hang on. Let's make the shaft unique. Although that's probably going to stay the same. Yeah, that's probably going to stay the same, that is. Oh no, it might be lowered or raised. So let's make that unique. Yeah, that's all it is. That definitely is going to have to be made unique. And the pin... not necessarily have to touch that one, so we'll leave that one alone. Okay, so we've got... These are going to be the same, they don't have to be unique. Right. So we've got that, so we need to now just lose the shaft a second. So let's hide the shaft and the actuator. Top and bottom aluminium. We'll keep the rest for a minute. So what we're going to do now, we need to hide the plastic a minute. Chassis clamp. Right, what we're going to do now is going to push this in. So I need to bring that over. I think it was, let's say, 7.8. No, 7.9 mil. So 7.9 mil. And this one. There we go. Right, it's not letting me grab it. 7.9 mil. Right, let's have a look at that. Okay, so they're just about touching. Probably, yeah, need to come back a little bit. So undo, undo, try again. So we're going to go 7.8 mil. $7.8 mil. Right, let's have another look at that. So that's about right, yeah. That tiny bit of a gap there. Look, that's great. So 7.8 mil. Now you can see the fixings touching, but don't worry about that. We're going to alter that design slightly. Okay. So let's put the rest of these round. So we're going to copy and paste in place. And we're going to right. And we're going to go round 45 degrees. And then we're going to copy these two. Copy and paste in place. And rotate it.
Whiskey America, Italy, Italy 3, Whiskey Alpha.
We're going to move them around
Italia Udine
95 degrees. Oh, that didn't work, did it?
Tango Uniform.
No, undo.
Ok, Tango Uniform X-Ray, grazie per Paolo, 73, ciao, QRZ, India 3, Whiskey Alpha. SQ20, Italy 3, Whiskey
I think it was
America.
85. Oh, no.
Japan Delta 59.
No, what is going on?
Thank you, India 3, Whiskey Alpha.
No, it's 90, sorry, 90. Bloody hell, what am I doing?
Papa 7, Bravo Kilo Oscar 59.
What am I thinking of?
Thank you, QRZ.
90 degrees.
Thank you, Oscar.
That's better.
Echo 59.
Yeah.
I want you before.
So we want another. How do we want now?
India 3,
1, 2, 3. So another 3.
SQ20, India 3, Whiskey America. India 3, Whiskey America. SQ20, Italy 3, Whiskey America. Italy 3, Whiskey America 20.
So
Sierra Alpha 6, Florida Sierra Tango 59. Okay, Sierra Alpha 6, Oscar Sierra Tango. Thank you, Michael. 59.
So what's that?
QRZ, India 3, Whiskey America.
Right, so we've got all our things back. We've moved them all in a bit.
Hotel Victoria, Juliet Hotel Victor 59.
Now the fixings, take note as the fixings because we'll alter that.
Italy 3, Whiskey Alpha.
So we've got Faraday cage out of the SO239s,
Italy 3, Whiskey Alpha.
which I like the idea of.
Lima 6, Mike, Radio Uniform 59.
Now what we need to do now is
India 3, Whiskey Alpha.
right, can I do this? Hang on.
QRZ, Italy 3, Whiskey Alpha.
shit, what I should have done was alter that. Right, let's just undo that again. Right, what I've got to do is...
Delta Florida Lima 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Right, what I've got to do is alter these fixings.
Bravo Victoria, Bravo Victor. Sierra Papa 3, Whiskey Bravo Victor 59. Thank you,
I can do the
QRZ.
whole thing in one, that's good. So I need to bring them back so they're flush there.
Sierra Papa 5, Delta Zulu Germany 59. Thank you.
Can't work it out from that angle.
Today, sorry, QRZ, India 3, Whiskey Alpha.
3.7. So I've got to move it this way. 3.7. Okay.
W8 America Whiskey Romeo, W8 America Whiskey Romeo 59.
That does look a bit weird because we haven't got the right fixing.
Grazie,
So we need to
ciao, Italy 3,
alter that
Whiskey
fixing.
Alpha.
We'll do that in a minute. Right,
Sugar
let's
Q1 Delta Oscar Zulu 59. Thank you, QRZ.
3.7.
Juliet Germany Tango 59. Thank
Oh.
you, QRZ.
What's happened? I seem to have too many.
Kilo Charlie. Sugar Peter 3, Kilo Charlie 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Alright, how many of them have I got?
The
Right,
Oscar November.
for some reason I had a lot of
Oscar November 3, Papa
a lot of
Sierra.
fixings. Now these are going to touch, aren't they?
Thank you, 59. Oscar November 3,
So
Papa
we're going to have the
Sierra,
nut on the
59.
outside by the looks of it. To make space for that.
India Udine 8, Quebec.
Yeah, going to have the nut on the outside.
Quebec Tango Whiskey 59.
So let's swap these around. Flip along the, I don't know, red. No, I need to rotate it. Hang on. Let's rotate it.
Okay, Papa Echo 1 November Alpha Oscar 59.
Rotate it like that.
Good luck, QRZ.
And then bring that. Oh, hang on. It's not going to be countersunk that side, so we're going to need to change the screw really. Right. Let's move that to there. Like that. Well, I'll change the pan head in a bit. Right, just allow these to be fastened. Alright, let's
Tango Whiskey Papa 59. Ciao, grazie, Italy 3, Whiskey Alpha.
ciao, grazie.
Oscar November 3, Whiskey Delta Mexico 59.
Ciao, grazie. Okay, so that's okay. So it can be built. You'll see the nuts to the outside.
Sierra Quebec 7 Delta Mexico Sierra 59.
Oh, not a problem, maybe, I don't know.
Thank you, QRZ.
Right,
Papa Echo 1 Alpha
one.
Romeo Sierra 59.
copy that.
Papa Echo 1 Alpha Radio Sierra, correct? Thank you very much, Arnold 73 QRZ. Italia Whiskey 9, Florida Radio Alfa, buongiorno 59. Ciao QRZ. Mike 7, Italy Lima Radio 59. Thank you QRZ. Italia Uniform 3, India Zulu. India Juliet, Italia Udine 3, Italy Juliet. No Juliet, Zulu, Zara, ultima lettera, U3, India Zulu, cambio. Ok Maurizio, tutto corretto, Italia Udine 3, Italy Zulu, 595. Ciao, 595, 5910, ciao.
So 1, 2, 3.
7 Florida Alpha Charlie 59. Thank you, Italy 3 Whiskey Alpha. And Papa 2 Juliet Whiskey 59. Thank you, India 3 Whiskey Alpha.
Right, so we've got them back. Okay. Yes, we need to alter the fixings a little bit. Maybe I should have altered them before. Yeah, I should have made them unique before.
Mike 7 Hotel Kilo November listed for any calls. Echo Bravo 5, Echo Bravo 5. Mike 7 Hotel Kilo November.
Anyway, the fixing is the fixing, isn't it? Right, so the fixing is the fixing.
Hello there, you want to change to 5:30? 5:30?
Have a sip of my drink. Right. So, oh, let me just check the audio. Yeah, the audio is okay. Right. So what we've got to do now is work out that. Can we solder a lug into that, or we're going to press against that? Anyway, we'll try it one way or the other.
Radio Alpha 3 Delta Alpha Sierra 59.
Let's bring back the plastic.
Radio, sorry, again.
So the clamp.
Delta Alpha Sierra.
So we've got this clamp now, and obviously it's no good any longer. So we've got a difference in the size here. So, and obviously we can't have that bit there. So we need to make it unique. It's already unique, that's fine. I've got to work out how we're going to fasten the lid.
Sierra Victor. Sierra Victor 7, Juliet Alpha X-ray 59. Thank you.
The aluminium.
Tango Florida November.
We want to put the plastic on the outside and the aluminium on the inside.
Italia Tango 9.
So what we're going to have to do is mill out the holes. Instead of having the holes, instead of having the holes in this piece, we're going to have the holes in the aluminium. Because we need to swap the aluminium round. So we want the aluminium to be next to the steel here and the lid. And let's do that now. Let's do that now. And we might not need the bottom plastic. Yeah, so do we need a bottom plastic? We only needed it for that bit there and to hold the studs.
Thank you. India 3, whiskey.
Right, let's get rid of the bottom plastic.
Mike 7, Tango, Papa Tango, 59.
Let's get rid of the bottom plastic altogether. Although we do need holes instead. Let's tell you what. Let's grab the holes. Still need the holes. Okay, and we're going to need that hole as well. I need to paste it in place here. Now, undo. Paste it in place. And we need to lower it. Lower it down to
India 3, whiskey, Alpha.
I don't know.
3 whiskey, Alpha. Thank you, India 3, whiskey, Alpha. Thank you, India 3, whiskey, whiskey, Alpha. Thank you, India 3, whiskey, whiskey, Alpha. Thank you, India 3, whiskey, whiskey, Alpha.
Um,
QRZ, Italy, Italy 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
So we can get rid of this one now.
India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
Right, and we need to put them onto the surface.
CQ20, India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey
Are they
Alpha,
on the
India,
surface?
India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America 20.
Wouldn't have thought so.
Echo Kilowatt, Papa 5, Echo Kilo Lima,
Right, hang on, I've lost him.
thank you, India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha. Again?
Right, so we need to put them in,
Italy, Italy 3, Whiskey, Whiskey
yeah,
America.
in there.
Sierra Alpha 7, Papa Kilo Lima 59.
Are they on the surface?
Thank you, India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
They seem to be on the surface already.
Sierra Vista 1, Tango Juliet November 59. Thank you,
Yeah,
India,
they're
India
on.
3, Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
So we're going to push this through. We're going to have to make a new aluminium.
QRZ, Italy, Italy 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America. Lima Alpha 5, Alpha Oscar Alpha 59. Thank you, India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha. QRZ, India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America. India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
Right, so we've got holes.
November, Italy, Echo.
Right,
Okay,
so
India,
done away
November,
with
India, Echo 59.
done away with the
Thank you,
plastic.
India, India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
So we need to just bring that up to whatever size that is.
20GWR and 3SX.
1.8.
Okay, Florida 4, Delta Charlie Juliet 59.
Is that right? Let's bring the lid plastic up. What size is that? 1.8.
Delta Sierra Kilo 59.
So I need to push that up.
Whiskey Alpha. Florida 4, Juliet Yankee
1.8.
Victoria 59. 73, India, India 3,
Okay, so we've
Whiskey,
got
Whiskey Alpha.
metal on metal.
QRZ,
It's
Italy,
obviously
Italy
too
3,
big
Whiskey,
now,
Whiskey
but
America.
don't worry. Can overlap a bit, that's fine, because the
Radio 3,
plastic
Kilowatt Foxtrot.
is going to be around the front, like
Okay,
this.
Radio 7, Kilowatt Foxtrot Radio. Radio 7,
So the lid aluminium.
Kilowatt Foxtrot Radio is correct.
We don't need the plastic anymore.
Thank you, good luck.
Lid
73,
plastic, it's
Italy,
only the
Italy
same
3,
as the
Whiskey,
lid
Alpha.
aluminium. Yeah, so we can lose the lid plastic,
Florida 6, Charlie Radio Germany 59.
bring back the lid aluminium, drop that down 1.8 mil.
Charlie Radio Golf 59, thank you.
Okay, so we've made it a bit slimmer.
Hi, Italy 3,
I've
Whiskey,
got
Whiskey Alpha.
27.4 mil.
Okay,
Little bit
Sugar
slimmer, it was
Hotel 7,
31 mil.
sorry, Sugar Alpha 7, Bravo Hotel
And
Quebec,
we've
59.
made sure we've got
Bye-bye, Italy 3, Whiskey, Whiskey
touching
Alpha.
metal. So what we've got to do now is when we clamp it down, we've got to make sure it pushes against the steel. So the exoskeleton aluminium has become an exoskeleton plastic. Right. So obviously that's going to have to be moved down
Thank you, India 3,
to
Whiskey,
touch
Whiskey
this. Now it could be soldered into here a stud, whatever size that is, so it's got a round thing, or we can try touching on there.
Delta Lima 6, Mike,
It's
Romeo
probably
Mike,
beveled
59.
anyway, a bit. There won't be a sharp edge
Thank
like
you,
that.
India 3, Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
It's just more than likely going
Echo
to be.
Alpha, Echo Alpha.
Well, that's
Echo
yeah.
Alpha 4, Echo Romeo Florida, 5,
Anyway, right, let's sort this. We've got to fasten the lid to the bottom now.
India 3, Whiskey,
The old
Whiskey Alpha.
fixings won't work. And you can't have a fixing through the plastic.
Thank you, QRZ.
And possibly this gap needs to be
Alpha 3,
reduced.
Florida, Papa Quebec 59.
So we're going to have to alter it
Thank you,
slightly.
QRZ, Sierra Quebec.
No, I don't think you can just push it that way.
Sierra
It's
Quebec
going
5,
to
Papa
affect
India
it.
Kilo 59.
So what we need now is to recreate.
Papa Alpha 1, Echo Radio 59.
Oh, I've had an idea.
Thanks,
Now
Italy,
this is.
Italy 3, Whiskey, America.
What about if
November, Kilo Lima,
the
59.
lid is put out? No, it's got to be the aluminium in it. So we still need a way of touching the aluminium down. So probably the lug.
Oscar Zulu 3, Fox, Oscar November 59.
The lug is going to have to be moved to here, maybe. Or could it still? Can't be there because that can't stick out over there.
Thank you, India 3, Whiskey Alpha.
Well, we could have kept the bottom plastic
Alpha Delta Radio.
and then grow this all the way up now, but it wouldn't be able to fasten electrically.
Thank you, QRZ.
It's got to fasten electrically.
Yankee Oscar 7, Lima.
So we have this on the outside.
Thank you,
We've
India
got to
3,
somehow
Whiskey
attach the
Alpha.
lid.
3, Zul Zanzibar 8, Radio 59.
So we've got to attach the metal lid
India
onto
3, Whiskey
over the
Alpha.
top of it. Fasten it in
Oscar
place.
November 2, Victor Gold 59.
So at
Thank
the
you,
minute,
India 3, Whiskey Alpha.
yeah, we need to reduce the size of that.
Yankee Romeo Uniform.
So first we need to make a new one of these that fits in this new position.
Romeo Uniform 59. Thank you, Italy,
I don't think it's as easy as moving that 1.85 mil. Let's try it.
Whiskey 59.
Don't think it's as easy as that.
Thank you, QRZ.
1.85 mil.
Radio Charlie 6, Alpha 59.
Right, what's that
Thank you,
done?
QRZ, India 3, Whiskey
No,
Alpha.
because see that it's got the gap. It's
India,
okay
India 3,
there.
Whiskey America.
So we're gonna have to alter that over a bit,
India 3, Whiskey
and that's
Alpha.
not easy to work out. It might be if we could work out the fixings. Yeah, we might be able. We need to make that unique, really.
QRZ, Italy 3, Whiskey America.
It's already
Italy
unique.
3,
That's fine.
Whiskey
Is that
America.
one unique? Yeah.
Italy,
Okay.
Italy 3,
So I need to bring.
Italy 3,
Need to bring that
Whiskey
over a little
Alpha.
bit. Now I should be able to work that out. Oh, it's got to go over and up. That's not so easy. So how do I do that? I'll tell you what. I'll draw from there to there, and from there no. There it is. Oh, I lost it. Try again. I waited too long on it. Right, so that's where it's got to go. Yeah. That's the new thing. Okay, so then we've got to maintain the thickness. 2.5. So we're going to go from there. 2.5, and this will give us our new creasing point. Okay, is that right? No, that doesn't look right. Didn't look right, does it? No. Something wrong there. Why is that not between the two? Or is it? Maybe it is, just looks weird. Oh, maybe it was okay. Yeah. I think it's alright, yeah, it's alright. Just the way I'm looking at it. So we've got that there. I could do with doing the same this end. No, lost it again. I spent too long on it. That's it, and 2.5 this way. And then up to there. Right, that's the new geometry for the bracket. Okay. So what I need to do now is grab this new bit. Right, so we grab that. Cut it. Paste it in place. Alright, let's come out of parallel projection. And we need to modify. Hang on, are we in there? No, I'm still not in the right piece. Hang on. Let's grab this again. It needs to go one more in. Is that it? Yeah. So we want to cut that. Go in there and paste it in place. Then we can draw. Carry on completing the structure of the new piece. Oh, I see. I see what's happening. Right. So we need to copy these pieces and put them down here, and also copy these pieces. Okay, and put them down here. Alright, so then we can carry on drawing. Okay, and we need a... This isn't quite right here, so we need to alter that anyway, so we'll sort that out in a minute. I'll tell you what, let's sort that out. Or was it okay? I'll leave it there for a minute. Let's get rid of some of the old stuff. And we need a line on the outside. And we need to get rid of some of the other stuff. Give me a second. Alright, we're back. Oh, back on the wrong one. There you go. Right. Welcome to the live stream. Emigio 7351. Welcome, and yeah, we're just designing, making some changes. Early in the morning. Well, it's not that early anymore. Right, where did I get to? I got a phone call. So I need to, mark this down there. Okay, and I need to get rid of. Let's get rid of that, that, and that.
73 QRZ. Alpha 3 November Kilo 59. Thank you QRZ.
Okay.
India 2 Whiskey Alpha. India 2 Whiskey Alpha.
These are in the wrong place anyway.
Delta 4.
We'll leave them there a minute.
Too low, sorry.
So we've done that bit. Let's get this one the same.
India 2 Whiskey Alpha. India 2 Whiskey Alpha. Ending in Kilo. Papa Alpha 2 Mike Kilo 59. Thank you QRZ. Take Alpha 3 India Kilo Alpha 59. Thank you QRZ. Charlie Alpha.
Oh, how did I do that one? Can't remember now.
Can you please listen? I'm calling Charlie Alpha.
Oh, can you please listen?
Oscar November 8, Charlie Alpha 59. Thank you QRZ. 9 America 5, go. 9 Alpha 5, Germany. Yankee Whiskey 59. 73 QRZ. 9 Alpha 5, Germany. Alpha 6, Tango India 59. Thank you, good luck.
Oh, I'll just add in first so I can get rid of. Oh, that was a problem.
9 Alpha 5, Germany. 9
Alright,
Alpha 5, Germany.
what do I? Oh.
Thank you, 59 for you. Thank you, good luck. QRZ, Italy
Let's
2
get rid of this.
Alpha. Sugar Papa 7, Whiskey Radio 59.
Right, why is that all gone? I wonder.
Thank you, good luck. QRZ,
I
Italy 2 Whiskey Alpha.
Oh,
X-ray November.
I'll get it back in a minute.
Sierra Papa 7, Whiskey November.
Oh no, don't get rid of that.
Mike Papa Golf. Sierra Papa 6, Mike Papa Golf 59.
Okay. So let's put back the surface. Okay. Right, so yeah, okay. So we want the surface here. And these surfaces, I want these back.
Thank you, QRZ.
Okay, let's just come out and have a look. See if we're doing the right thing.
Yankee Oscar 8, India Oscar Alpha. Good morning,
Okay,
5 and 9.
so we're okay apart from this bit.
73 QRZ.
So there's our new bracket. We need to get rid of
Queen Delta 59.
some of this stuff.
Good morning, QRZ. Kilo Alpha.
Get rid of some of this.
Sierra Oscar 9, Kilo Alpha 59. 73 QRZ.
So we're doing it in stages.
India 2 Whiskey Alpha. India 2 Whiskey Alpha.
And we can get rid of that and that.
India 59.
We'll leave that there for a minute.
QRZ.
Let's just get rid of it.
Filma 3 X-ray Alpha Hotel 59.
Let's get rid of it.
India 2 Whiskey Alpha. India 2 Whiskey Alpha.
Okay, so now these lugs are in the wrong place. I need to bring back the circles. Let's bring back the circles. So to bring back the circles we need... Right, so we'll need this... I need these. Oh, just need the one side for now.
Radio Papa Zulu 59. Thank you, good luck, you are set. Sierra Papa 3 Alfa Romeo.
Right, paste in place. Right, we've got to somehow bring them down to the surface.
Sierra Papa 9 Lima Kilo 59.
Somehow.
73, you are set.
Okay.
United Sierra 6 Lee, Italy Lima Fox 5 and 9, you are set.
Alright, so that's that.
The 0 India. Mike India is Mike Whiskey 0, India Whiskey Hotel 59.
To push them through.
You are set. Sierra Papa 8 Bravo Alpha Radio. Sierra Papa 8 Bravo Alpha Radio 59.
And what is that in the middle?
The call sign is Italy 2 Whiskey.
Something left over.
Thank you so much, bye bye. Bye bye,
the old one. That's fine.
Thank you, you are set, Italy 2 Whiskey Alpha.
Okay, so we've got the remnants.
Again.
Go on, let's get rid of these remnants here.
Papa Whiskey 8 Bravo Radio.
Some old remnants. Okay, so we're probably too long now. We don't need to be that long, maybe. Or maybe we need to be longer. Okay. Let's look at it the right way up again. Right, so we've got modified bracket somewhat. So we've done the holes this side. No, we haven't done the holes this side yet. So we want the two holes for this side.
Thank you, QRZ.
We're getting there slowly. Oops.
Good luck, QRZ.
Alright, so we need to bring them down.
Oscar November 2, Victoria.
That's it. Cut.
Paste
in place. And we can bring them through.
Ending in gold. Oscar November 3, Papa Uniform Golf 59.
Okay, so we've got our holes for our adjacent SO239 sockets. So that's lined up, that's our new bracket that fits on the outside this time. Now we've got to have to sort this out. We'll have to redo the bracket there. Let's have a look at the size of that. 4.9, is that really it? 4.9. Let's find out what the real size is. The real size of one of these fixings. There's the fixing. Indian 2 Whiskey Alpha.
India 2 Whiskey Alpha. India 2 Whiskey Alpha.
Right, let's find out the real size.
Sierra Papa.
Oh, 5.45.
59.
5.45.
Ciao, grazie, QRZ.
What did I say it was?
Delta. QRZ.
Ah, problem.
I'm calling Delta.
Problem there.
Delta Pop.
Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Lima.
Right, so we're going to have to alter this a bit.
Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Lima. Report for you 5 by 9.
So what we might have to do is not have all 4 fixings in. We might have to lose the 2 corner ones and then do the opposite to make it fit, because they're going to get in the way of each other's. Yeah. Okay, I've got it. That's okay, we reduced the fixing count. We reduced the fixing count. So what I'll do is we'll have to get rid of this one. So we get rid of that one. And this one. Okay, so we get rid of 2 fix. We only need 2 fixings. You can buy these, and they only have 2 lobes on it anyway. So we don't have a fixing there, which will allow us to put a normal cap head screw in. And then we can put the nut to the other side then. Right, okay. Right, so then we'd have to lose. Yeah, we'd have to lose this one. And this one. Right, so we'd have it like that. Yes, you stagger them. That's better, yeah. So you only have to, then you got the choice to use the ones with the 2 lobes instead of the 4 hole fastening holes. You can get these with just 2. Oh, it's already done it to the rest. Look, that's good. Alright, it's already done it. So what I need to do now is alter this. Right, so I'm going to flip this around again. Now we've got that idea. Can we flip it? Flip along. Oh. No. Flip along green. No. Flip along blue. Yeah, that's what we want. But it needs to come this way. It needs to go this way.
73, thank you. Italy 2, whiskey Alpha.
Like that.
Thank you, QRZ.
Bring this down this way. Oh, what happened there?
Thank you, QRZ. Sierra Papa 5. Sierra Papa 5, X-ray Mike Delta 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Oh, is that? No, that's no good.
Mike 3 Delta Charlie Japan, thank you, 59. QRZ. Mike 9 Juliet, Whiskey Juliet, 59. Bye bye, QRZ, Italy 2, Whiskey Alpha. Victor Whiskey Hotel.
Do we need washers? I don't think we need washers.
Sierra Papa 6, Victor Whiskey Hotel, 5 and 9.
We only want the washer to fasten the other side.
Italy 2, Whiskey Alpha, QRZ.
Anyway, we'll leave the washer on. I don't think we need washers.
Sierra Papa 6, Victor Whiskey Hotel, you are in the law. Thank you, Azet. Charlie Sierra 5, Sierra X-Ray Lima, 59.
Right, okay, so that's what we want on that one.
Hotel Germany 0, November, Bravo
We'll
India,
change the
59.
head after. Now we need to do the same to these two.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2, Whiskey Alpha.
Flip along the blue. And bring them out. So say 2.5. Nearly. Right, is that okay? Yeah, that's okay. Right, so we've got that. Okay, so we've got our new bracket. We've got our holes lined up. We haven't got our thing here yet. So what we need is to measure from there. So we've got 2.008. Right, so let's grab that. Paste in place.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2, Whiskey Alpha.
We need to come off it.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha,
2.008.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2, Whiskey Alpha.
Okay, so it's on the surface already.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2, Whiskey Alpha. India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2, Whiskey Alpha.
Right, so we should be able to then push.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2,
Push that through.
Alpha.
And it's left it because it didn't like the angle, so we'll get rid of that ourselves. Right, so we'll do the same with the other side. Now that should be the right thing there, yeah it is. And we need to do the same here.
India 2, Whiskey Alpha, India 2, Whiskey Alpha.
Echo Alpha 3, Florida Lima, 59. Thank you, 73. This is Sugar Oscar 3, Whiskey Alpha. Yankee Oscar 4, Alpha Charlie, 59. 73, good luck. This is Sugar Oscar 3, Whiskey Alpha. Zulu 3 for Zulu, 59. Thank you, 73. This is Sugar Oscar 3, Whiskey America. Yankee Tango 2, Foxtrot Whiskey Hotel, 59.
That's okay. You can see that nut now no longer gets in the way of this fixing, so we've got two fixings. So we've reduced the number of fixings by 2, divided by 2. Yeah, it's going to have a little bit of RF leakage there, but as long as the main screen is there. It's a bit like a copper plane on a PCB. It's not fully there, but it still acts as a Faraday cage.
73 QRZ.
To a great extent. Right, so we need now to sort out how these are going to fasten. So obviously these are sticking out too far now. So what we need now is to redo them in a minute. Oh, good morning, Andy Crowley. How you doing? Trust you're okay.
Mike Whiskey 0, Italy Whiskey Hotel 59. Yeah, the call is Sierra Ontario 3.
Yeah, I've decided to, well, we kept the original design. So got the original design still, hopefully. Let's have a look. Yeah, the original design is there. Now we have altered the fixings, but not to worry. It's not the end of the world. Right, anyway, I should have made them unique really. But we're going on a simpler one where we use the mechanical properties of the SO239 to join up the system, act as a Faraday cage. So we put the plastic on the outside. So almost there. Then we've got this. We've got to move that down to touch this. Possibly, if that doesn't work out, we solder in a brass or solder in something into there, like a pinhead or something, where this touches onto it as you turn. But it means you can build it with 3D printer and a few bits without worrying about CNC and this thing. So what we need to do now is find out how we're going to fasten that to this lid. Now we've got a spare fixing we didn't have before here. So yeah, we can't really fix anything to it there, but we could make a little 3D printed standoff. I'm not sure about that. Just that's the point we got to at the minute. And I think I need to reduce the size of this to make it fit that. So let's do that now. Which means I'll have to mill out. I'll have to mill out some more of those. That's not too much of a problem. Pretty easy to mill those out because they've got a nice surface area.
Good morning, 73, you are there. CQ 17 meters, Sugar Oscar 3 Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha, Sierra Oscar 3 Whiskey, Whiskey America. Papa 5 Alpha Alpha, Papa 5 Alpha Alpha, you're 59. Thank you, 73 good luck. Sugar Oscar 3 Whiskey, Whiskey America. Sugar Oscar 3 Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha, Sierra Ontario 3 Whiskey, Whiskey America. Sierra Oscar 3 Whiskey, Whiskey America.
Okay, so we've got that. Oh, we've lost our surface. Why have we lost our surface?
Whiskey, Whiskey America, Sugar Ontario 3 Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
1.850. That's better. Okay, we did it that way. Okay, so we got it a bit smaller. At least you'll be able to oil it as well. Right, so yeah, these fixings are annoying, aren't they? I'll sort them out in a bit. So we're going to fasten it there to there. Let me have a sip of this. My throat is going all groggy. I've just got some 7 amp hour batteries on the charge at the minute. They've gone totally flat, and they were new, they just haven't been used. And they wouldn't draw any current for charge, and I left them on for 2 days in series at 28 volts, and it's drawing 6 watts, 240 milliamps. It's drawing into it, but when you take the power supply off the charging circuit, it starts dropping 0.01 of a volt over a period of a couple of seconds. So I'm trying to revive them batteries just to see if it's possible. Anyway, let's see what we need to do now. We've ruined the other one, but never mind. These need to be cap head bolts, really. And I've got to work out what I'm going to do here. Obviously that plastic can't come through there. It can't come over the top. It can't come through. Oh, it could come through there. Could extrude through as a locator. Yeah. So we could alter the plastic here. Push it through. Yeah. It'll hide that hole at least. Let's just do that now. So we'll get rid of that side. And that side. I'll come around here. Now it needs to be slightly less. Very slightly less. 0.25, 0.1 less. So we'll cut that, delete that, and paste in place that one. So we'll get that 0.1, cut that one, delete that one, and paste that one in place. Now that should be 2.8, yeah, that's right. And what we'll do is we'll push that out. The thickness of whatever that is. That thickness there, 2.25. 2.25. I've got some more to do as well. .25. Okay. I suppose we ought to do 0.25. So it helps it push in. Okay, so we've done the bottoms. So we've got a bit of a locator going on there. Yeah, helps stabilise it, I suppose. Push it together while you're building it. And what we need now is the same on here. Same here. Okay, right, so we need to do 0.1. We need to cut that one, delete that one and paste the other one in place. And copy that one, cut that one, and oh, we're already there. Oh, cut that one and paste it in place. Okay, and then we need to bring them out. Can't remember the size now. 2.25. Bring them out. Hang on. 2.25. 2.25. 0.25. Okay, that's better. So that's what we got now. It's a way of making it fit. Right, very groggy today, I don't know why. Need something to clear the back of my throat. Right, so have we finished with this clip? No, we haven't. We've got to sort this out now. We've got to find a way of attaching. Actually, how big's that? It's not a lot, is it? 2.5. 2.5. And we're going to attach that to the thing. That's the thing. How are we going to do that? So we've got a piece of metal. How are we going to fasten that to there? The screw hole is there. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, yeah, we can't bring the plastic through. There's no through on the plastic. So the only other way is to screw from this way into the plastic. And we can't do that because the plastic isn't thin enough, isn't thick enough for a fixing. And we don't want to go too thick because we want to get the PL over the top and screw it down. So what, I'm just going to measure a PL. Let's measure a PL. Thickness of a PL. 2.1. Make sure it'll actually fit in. It's 18 mil. 18 mil. $18mm diameter. What have we got here? Let's have a look. Oh, 17mm. Yeah, because it was only supposed to clear this before. Oh, you can't see. Yeah, so we've got not enough there. Look. So we need to go another mil. So we need another mil on that. Let's try and do another mil. Oh, hang on. They moved again. Why do I keep moving?
Buenos días, 5-9. Buenos días, 5-9. Gracias, 73. Un abrazo. QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
He's strong.
Delta Bravo 3, Lima Bravo Golf, you're 59.
Right, so we need to come out of mil. No, it's only half a mil. So that'll give us what? 18.5. So you got half a mil clearance. Yeah, should be enough. Tell you what, let's give it some more.
Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
Let's give it a bit of space.
G0 BKU, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Eco Alpha 1, India, Florida, Yucatan, 59. Gracias, QRZ.
Hang on, what's happened there?
2 Echo 0, Bravo Kilo United, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Right.
Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
Let's do it. Oh, I see. We've got these in the way. Well, they're going to have to come off anyway.
Germany, Mexico Forum, Germany Alpha Zulu Mobile, you're 59.
So let's get rid of these anyway.
Thank you.
Oh, let's tell you what. Let's move them up a little bit. They're going to have to come off anyway. Let's get rid of them.
Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha. Echo 70, Sierra Zulu. CQ15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America. Echo 70, Sierra Zulu. Delta Golf 9, Kilo Alpha November, you're 59.
Yeah.
Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America. Echo 70, Sierra Zulu. CQ15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America. Echo 70, Sierra Zulu. Delta Lima 9, Yankee November Golf, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Delta Oscar 1, Delta Alpha Hotel, you're 59.
Right, so we've got rid of that.
Thank you, QRZ.
What's happened there? I'm sure.
Mike 0, Japan Tango Victor, you're 59. Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America.
Oh, it's because I got rid of the other things. The lugs.
Foxtrot 6.
So I got rid of the lugs.
Fox 6, Golf Alpha Quebec, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Mike 0, November Oscar, Oscar 59. Thank you, QRZ. Delta Oscar again. Negative. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. HB3, X-ray Charlie, Italy 59. Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Again. CQ 15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Mike 3, Papa Alpha Charlie 59. Okay, Mike 9, I got it, thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Uliana Anna, кто? УА6, Ивана, Галина, Леонид, вам 5-9.
Okay, so we've got that. Now this is wrong. So I'm going to have to go onto these bits.
CQ 15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. EFA, Mike Matthew 59.
Mike 0, Alpha.
Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Hotel Bravo 9, Italy Oscar Bravo, you're 59.
No, I don't know.
Thank you.
Let's
Lima
just do
Zulu
that.
0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. CQ 15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. CQ 15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Oscar November 1, Mike Alpha, you 59. Thank you, Sugar Papa. Espedia Radio Whiskey Lima, General Bench 7. QSL Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
Okay.
Echo Alpha 7, Echo Fox Zulu, buenos dias, 5-9.
Right. Does look a bit weird there, the angle.
Gracias, Lima Zulu 0,
well.
Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
Right, so we've got that there. I still haven't got a way of fastening it to the lid.
Yankee Mike, you 59.
So I'm thinking we could make it
Thank you,
smaller,
Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
make it thicker.
Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
So if we make it thicker, I've got some smaller brass inserts, but I don't want to use them, they're too small. I want to keep it M3. So an M3 you need 4 point. Yeah, you need 4 point. Yeah, so you need it thicker, a lot thicker. So how do we do it? Make a little bracket. Seems a bit mad. We're trying to simplify it, not make it more complicated. So we can put these round. Yeah, let's put these round the rest of it. Let's put these brackets back. Now, do they need? They could meet each other, couldn't they? Yeah, there's no need for them to be like that. Right, I think I need to make these again. Right, okay. So if I copy that again, paste it in place. Now we've done, what did we do originally? I can't remember. Let's have a look. So we've got 13.5 there, and then the new one is 17.517.
Oscar Zulu 7, Bravo, Germany. Thank you. Now Delta Alpha 6, Charlie Bravo, you're 59.
Right, let's
Thank you, QRZ.
get the calculator up.
Delta Lima 3 Golf Bravo, you're 59.
17.517.
Thank you. Now Delta Oscar QRP station, give me your full call.
87585. Bloody hell.
Delta Oscar 4 Fox Oscar X3 QRP, you're 59.
87585.
Thank you. Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America. CQ 15 Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
That's not going to work that way, is it?
04 CQ, you're 59.
No, it's the angle.
Thank
Oh,
you.
there you
Lima
are.
Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
Right,
Delta Charlie Tango India,
8.7585.
59.
That's the new one.
Thank you, QRZ.
Okay, so that's the new one. Oh, plus a
Delta
mil.
Oscar 4 Juliet Sierra, you're 59.
Plus a mil. Right.
Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America. Thank you. Now Sierra Papa. Negative QRZ.
Right.
SM1 Tango Hotel Fox, you're 59. Thank you. Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America. Oscar Echo 6 Papa Bravo.
So I want these to meet. Okay. So we're going to take that, and that, and that.
Fox 1 Papa November Juliet, you're 59. Thank you. QRZ Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
Alright, and we're going to get rid of that. And that. No, not quite. Need the bottom bit.
Whiskey America. Oscar Echo 6 Papa Bravo Delta. Whiskey 0 Juliet Quebec Charlie, you're 59. Thank you. Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
Alright, so we can get rid of that now.
CQ 15 Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
And we need to push that through. Can we push that through? Yeah. And build this back up.
Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
Right, that's not working, is it? So from there to there, it's struggling with that one. It's the angle it doesn't like.
Again?
Right, so we'll just grab that and grab that. And that. Copy it. Put it there.
Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America. Oscar November 4, triple Charlie, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Okay, so we've got
Delta Charlie 1, Queen Bravo, you're 59.
I've got that.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. CQ 15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Delta Oscar 4, Tango Papa, you're 59.
Let's do the same down here.
Thank you, Delta Lima. Delta Lima 1, Sierra, you're 59 also. Thank you, QRZ. Delta Lima 6, Zulu Alpha Hotel, you're 59. Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Delta Charlie 8, Queen Tango 59. Thank you, QRZ. Mike 7, Juliet Hotel India 59.
Yeah, it's a very laborious process.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
Oops.
The CT 7 Bravo Florida Victor synced up. Thank you, QRZ.
Right.
Delta Golf 1, Florida, Mexico, you're 59. Delta Golf 9, I got it, thank you. QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
So, why does that look totally
Delta
different
Golf
to this
7
one?
Alpha Zulu 59.
What have I done wrong here? That doesn't look the same as that.
Alpha Kilo, thank you. QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
No, it's a mil too big.
CQ 15, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
I did it wrong. Right, okay. Shit.
Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
Damn it.
Charlie Tango. Charlie Tango 2, Fox Whiskey Hotel, Sinknov.
Oh well, I've got to get it right. Right, we've got to get it right. Okay. Right, so how do I do this? Tell you what I'll do it a different way. We'll go a different way. So we'll grab this. We'll grab the right one. We'll copy it. Paste it in place. We'll hide the shaft.
Thank you, QRZ.
We'll come here with this.
The station Bravo Italy, you're 59.
We'll move it 45 degrees. Then we'll go into
One
this.
Yankee Bravo Italy 59.
No. We'll hide the SO239s. Then we've got the circle in the right place.
Roger. Delta Lima 1 Yankee Bravo India, you're 59.
We'll cut it. Paste it in place.
Papa Alpha 5, Hotel Romeo, you're 59.
And we should be able to select that, yeah.
Thank you. Mike Oscar, you're 59.
Okay, so we should have the right thing now. Yeah, the right one.
Eco Alpha 5 Mike Ontario, gracias, QRZ.
I'll have to get rid of this one.
Eco Alpha.
I'll have to get rid of this
Eco
one.
Alpha 2, Eco Japón, Ontario 59. Gracias, Echo Alpha.
It's long-winded.
Negativo, QRZ.
It's long-winded for the viewers. It's long-winded for me doing it as well.
Oscar November 3, you're 59.
Alright, so we'll have to get this one again.
Oscar November 3. Oscar November 4, Sierra Papa Romeo, you're 59.
Paste in place.
Thank you, QRZ. Please stand by, European. Lima Zulu, complete your call. Lima Zulu, Tukalisi.
So we go this way, 45 degrees. We'll cut it.
Florida 5 radio, Delta
Paste
Sierra,
it in place.
59. Florida 5 radio.
Come out of X-ray mode now. Should be able to get rid of that and push that. Get rid of that. Push it through.
Florida 5 radio, X-ray Lima, bonjour,
okay. So we've got should be doesn't look right.
The station Sierra Oscar, you're 59.
What is gone on there? That's definitely bigger than that. What have I done wrong now? 3.742. Well, I made a big mistake somewhere.
Delta Lima 2. Delta Hotel 2 Alpha Kilo, you're 59.
I'll get it. Did I not get the right? Did I not get the right one? Copy. Paste in place.
Delta Lima 1, Delta Florida, you're 59. Delta Lima 1, Delta Florida. QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
45
Delta
now.
Hotel 9, Yankee Papa America, you're 59.
Oh, I know. I know why it looks wrong, so I haven't extended it. That's why.
Sugar Mike Sugar, you're 59.
Need to extend it, don't I? Right, let's have a look.
Delta Oscar 9, Sugar Mike Sugar, thank you. Now Mike India Station 5 and 9. Mike India 7, Echo Hotel Oscar, thank you, QRZ. Sierra Papa 2, Bravo Papa Alpha. Echo Alpha 1, Lima Quebec, 59. Gracias, Echo Alpha. Echo Alpha 3, Delta Uniform Romeo, 59. Un abrazo, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America, QRZ. Oscar Papa 4, Whiskey, you're 59. Thank you. The station Alpha Whiskey, you're 59. ON for Papa Alpha Sierra, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Mike Sugar, you're 59. DJ 5, thank you, QRZ. Ending Romeo, you're 59. Mike with 7, India Hotel Romeo, you're 59. The station ending Quebec. and 7 November, Quebec, 59. Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
Sugar Papa 2, Bravo Papa Alpha.
Foxtrot 4, Alpha Bravo Italy, 59. Fox 4, Alpha. Mexico 3, you're 59. Mike 3, Delta Juliet Sierra, 59.
What's going on here?
Thank you, Papa Alpha 3, you're 59.
Sugar Papa 2, Bravo
That's
Papa
weird.
Alpha.
Fox Delta, thank you, QRZ.
Sugar Papa 2, Bravo Papa Alpha.
Charlie 4. Delta Charlie 4, Lima Papa, you're 59. Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Mike India 7, Radio Delta Kilo, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Right, have we done it? Almost.
Echo Bravo 7. Echo Bravo 3, Juliet Tango 59. Un abrazo, QRZ.
Yankee Oscar 5, Queen Delta India.
Mike 0, Lima Hotel Germany, you're 59. Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
Yankee Oscar 5, Queen Delta India.
Mike 0, Oscar Victor India, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Papa Alpha 4, Mike, you're 59. Papa Alpha 4.
Right, have we done it?
Papa Echo 4, Mike Alpha Romeo, you're 59.
So we've got this piece.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Lima Alpha 5, you're
Right, what's that
59.
like? Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the one. Right, okay. Oh.
Juliet Yankee, thank you, QRZ.
Yeah, that's the one. Right, let's
Mike 7, November Golf X-Ray, you're 59.
let's reproduce that.
QRZ. Alpha Bravo, you're 59.
So why have I got two lots? Don't know. Explode it.
Delta Alpha 6, Alpha Bravo, thank you. Now Papa Delta 8, you're 59.
That's better.
Papa
Right.
Delta 8.
So we need to copy that.
Netherlands, go ahead.
Copy.
Nobody, QRZ, Lima Zulu 0,
Placed in
Whiskey
place.
America. Please, Kilo Lima, you're 59.
180. Right.
Sierra Alpha 7, Papa
Copy.
Kilo Lima, you're 59.
Placed in place.
Thank you, QRZ. Holding X-ray.
90. Right, is that right?
Delta Fox 0, X-ray, you're 59.
Okay, so we've got
Thank you, QRZ.
that system now. That's set up. Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Victor Hotel Kilo, you're 59.
So we've got the SO239s.
Oh, you have
Panel mount on the inside.
Please check your transmitter now. Victor Hotel Kilo
But we
Station.
still haven't got a way of fastening the lid or the
something.
top to it.
Echo Hotel Kilo, you're 59.
So we've got a
Thank
thicker
you,
area
Lima Zulu
here.
0, Whiskey America.
We've got a thicker area here with nothing on it, and there, so we
Echo
could
Pacific, Japón Fox Kilo 59.
thicken that up a bit there and there, but it look a bit weird.
Un abrazo,
So you could
QRZ.
fasten it there, the lid that side, and there, So 1, 2,
Ending
3,
Juliet, ending Juliet.
4. That's too many fixings, so
Eco Alpha 4 Fox, Japón, Japón, 59.
let's turn it upside down.
Eco Alpha 2, 59.
So I was thinking we don't have to mill this all the way out.
Yes, Golf 4 something Japan, you're 59.
We could just put an indent in. We don't need to. Trouble is, it is aluminium.
Before AAJ, I got it, thank you, QRZ.
Unless we change the thing to a ball bearing. Encapsulate a ball bearing into the plastic shaft.
Yeah, Mike 3 Alpha Charlie, you're 59.
Right, so what we'll do is we'll.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
I'll grab all these off.
Charlie Tango, Charlie Tango.
Take these off a minute. So it don't drill all the way through.
November Golf, think no.
And we'll grab these. Grab these off a minute.
Eco Alpha 4.
We'll cut them
Eco
out.
Quebec, Florida, buenos días, 59.
Paste in place, then we'll cut them.
Gracias, QRZ.
Put them back. And we'll only go down a little bit. So
Whiskey, you're 59.
it's 1.2, we'll go down 0.6.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Eco Alpha 2 Bravo, Eco Alpha 2 Bravo, 59. Bravo Uniform Whiskey, 59.
And we could probably do the same with this.
Gracias, QRZ.
We don't need to go all the way through, do we?
Papa Alpha, you're 59. But give me full go, Papa Alpha Station. Okay, PA7 KCC, thank you. Echo Alpha Station.
Okay, and that allows us to not have any holes
Echo Alpha City,
on the other
Italy,
side.
buenos días, 59.
It still acts as a lug. Gonna have to alter the shaft and reprint the shaft out, because now the shaft will be too long. Well, it's long. It's wrong anyway. Gonna have to print all that out again. Yeah. Right, so we've got that back. Let's remember to do that.
Zulu November, you're 59. Charlie Tango 1 Alpha Zulu November, think no.
Right. Okay, so I need to sort these fixings out. Can these be countersunk? They could be, couldn't they? Yeah, let's keep them countersunk. If they're countersunk, we need to make them countersunk. So what we need to do is...
Victor Yankee 2, Whiskey Japan, good signaling, clear, thank you, you're 59, 73, QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
5, so...
Echo Alpha City, Lima Golf India, buenos días, 59.
So this is what?
Gracias, QRZ.
3 mil.
Papa Echo 1, Mike Echo Hotel, you're 59.
Just thinking, should we make it thicker?
Thank you, QRZ.
Yeah, let's make it thicker. Like we can...
The 4th Juliet X-ray.
Yeah, so leave that a minute.
Ending
Let's make this whole thing thicker, so we can get a fixing from the lid in.
India 0, 4th Italy X-ray, you're 59.
So we've got what we've got at the minute. We've got 2.5.
Thank you, QRZ. Lima Zulu 0,
Needs to be 6 mil.
America.
So 6 mils quite a lot.
Mike Oscar, 59.
So it needs to come out this way.
Echo Alpha 5, Mexico, Ontario, 59.
2.5, so 6 mil.
Gracias, Lima
Probably
Zulu
needs to
0,
be 7 mil.
Whiskey America. Tango Tango Echo, young lady station. Tango Echo, you're 59.
Right, so I need come out from here.
Delta Oscar 1 uniform Tango Echo, thank you.
2.5.
India Fox Tango,
Let's
you're
say
59.
4.5.
Thank you, QRZ.
4.5. So that'll have to be the new thickness of it.
59.
That's okay, because we can still get the PL in and turn it.
OZ1 Kilo
It's a lot more, yeah.
Thank you, QRZ.
Well, we're doing this just so we can get a fix in it for the lid. Is there an easier way? Yes, there is.
India 4, Sugar India Papa, you're 59.
Now you could have prongs sticking up
Whiskey America.
that you push the lid over.
Mike Whiskey
But
0,
then how do
Victor
you
Charlie
fasten
Victor,
it?
you're 59.
No, it needs to be fastened down, doesn't it? So it would stick out quite a lot. So you'd have 7mm. You'd have enough wall for an insert.
Thank you, QRZ.
It doesn't necessarily have to be all of it.
Whiskey Hotel.
No, it has to be printed that way, flat.
Whiskey Hotel.
Not sure about that.
Please, gentlemen, don't break in. I said Whiskey Hotel. Please complete your call.
Yeah, not sure about that.
SP2 Golf Whiskey Hotel, Dzień dobry, 59. Dziękuję. QRZ Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America.
So we either make it thicker or some more plastic.
Tango America, you're 59. Thank you. Echo Alpha.
To get an M3, it's a 4.65 diameter
Echo Alpha
for a brass fitting.
Romeo, buenos días, 59.
So if we grab a brass fitting, then
Gracias, QRZ. Lima Bravo 1, Lima Japan, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Ending sugar.
so I'll get a brass fitting.
India Fox Sugar, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Papa Alpha, you're 59.
Which one do we want? That one.
Papa Alpha 2 Zulu, thank you. Now, the Yankee YL station, the young lady station. Echo Alpha 2 Fox Canada, Quebec, 59. Un abrazo, QRZ. Foxtrot 5 November Bravo X-ray, you're 59. Thank you. Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America. Gold 0 Lima X-3 India, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. In the Germany 4 Whiskey something Lima, you're 59. G4 VJL, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ.
So that would be, was that enough wall?
Ending Alpha Bravo, you're 59.
Half a mil of wall?
But give me full call.
Probably not. Probably not.
EIA Juliet Alpha Bravo, I got it. Thank you, QRZ.
Right, 1 mil of wall.
Delta Lima 5, Mike Bravo Alpha, you're 59.
1 mil of wall, and we've got to have at least a mil this side.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0 Whiskey America. Eco Alpha 1, Fox, Whiskey, Japón, 59. Eco Alpha 1. Eco Alpha 1, Japón, Canadá, Guatemala, 59. Gracias, Oscar, November 6, Mike, Alpha Tango, you're 59.
No, it's not on the right log, is it?
Thank you. Eco Alpha, Eco Alpha. Eco Alpha 8, Alpha, Quebec, Quebec, buenos días, 59.
So we want basically a...
Eco Charlie 8, America, Quebec, Quebec, Roger.
It's a bit on the crooked, that one, but let's just go from this one. 1.24.
Go for Victor Whiskey Tango, you're 59.
So,
thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey,
crooked.
Whiskey America.
Doesn't matter.
Fox 4, Juliet Victor Zulu, you're 59.
So we can measure it, so we know.
Thank you. The station ending Oscar, you're 59.
It's 4.46. No.
Mike 0, Hotel Oscar, Oscar, you're in the lot. Thank you. You are there.
4.65 plus 2 mil.
Eco Alpha 3, India Victor Lima, 59.
So it's got to be 6.
Gracias, QRZ.
6.65.
Delta Golf 9, Charlie, Juliet, Papa, you're
So
59.
there's our...
Bravo, Juliet, Papa, thank you.
That's
Lima
it,
0,
that's
0,
what it's
Whiskey,
gotta
Whiskey
be.
America.
to get that lug in.
Mike 7,
So it's just to the edge of that.
59.
Right, we'll have to print all that up there.
Italy, Lima, radio. Thank you. Lima 00, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
So, is there another way of doing it?
Golf Mike 4, Echo Victor, Victor Mobile, we are 59.
Probably not.
Thank you, QRZ. Delta Kilo 9, Alpha Charlie, you're 59.
Looks a bit weird being there. What about on the corner?
Alpha Tango, you're 59.
It's on the corner, it's too near this fixing.
Thank you,
It wants to
QRZ.
be lined up with this, really.
Delta Charlie 5, Charlie Bravo, you're 59. Delta Charlie 2, I got it, you're 59.
4.950.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
4.950.
Mike 7, Juliet November Tango, you're 59.
So this would have to be over.
Mike, I got it, thank you, QRZ.
Can't get this
Go
right.
5, Romeo Oscar Bravo, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Delta Oscar 3, Bravo India Golf, you're 59. Thank you. Enjoy the radio. QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America. Golf 4, Oscar Bravo, Bravo, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ.
Well, where's the centre gone?
Ending Papa. Oscar Echo 5, Mike Hotel Papa, you're 59.
Hmm.
Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey America. Echo India, Juliet Mike Bravo, you're 59. Thank you, QRZ. Ending Echo. Sierra Victor 2, Sierra Tango Echo, you're 59.
Hello, 59, thank you very much, have a good day.
Thank you, QRZ. Mike 7, Bravo Golf Hotel, you're 59.
No, it's not going to work.
Thank you, QRZ. Echo Alpha 3 Delta, Mexico Interrogativo, 59.
No, it's not having it, is it? Why not? Oh, because we're lower.
Gracias, QRZ.
Yeah, because we're lower.
Please, European, stand by just a minute. Is there any DX outside of Europe? Any DX station? Nobody, QRZ. Papa Alpha to Mike Lima Delta, you're 5 by 9. Thank you, QRZ.
Come on, you can do it. I just wanted to snap it there.
Please, Mexico station. Go Ocean, give me your prefix.
Tell you what we don't want is that, so
Yeah, Mike 0, GGO, you're 59.
let's put a circle on it.
Thank you. Now Mike 7, Mexico 7, you're 59.
Won't snap to it, see, why not? Should do.
M7, Delta Victor Oscar, thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America, QRZ.
It's not recognising it. Let's get rid of that.
Mike 0, Fox Bravo Tango, you're 59.
Let's move that out of the way.
Thank you, QRZ.
Why can't
Delta
I
Alpha
put a
6, Mike Sierra, you're
circle
59.
on that?
Thank you, QRZ. Golf Bravo 9, Golf Delta Papa, you're 59.
Won't let me do it.
Thank you. Papa Alpha Station.
Bugger.
Papa Echo 2 Delta, you're 59.
Working on funny angles, that's
Another
why.
Papa Alpha. Nobody. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey Alpha.
It's not having it, is it? Probably because I'm not in the
Papa
model.
Yellow to Japan, Yellow, you're 59. Thank you. Kilo Station, American Station. Nobody. QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
It won't snap. Okay,
Sierra Papa 8.
let's cheat. Won't even get onto it, look at it. No, it won't snap to it.
Papa Yankee 8, Papa Yankee 8.
Why is that?
Papa Whiskey 8, Bravo Romeo, Signal. Obrigado, QRZ, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Echo Sierra 5, Delta Sierra Bravo, you're 59. Thank you, Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America. Sierra Bravo 5, X-ray 59. Thank you, QRZ.
No, it will. Right, so it just needs to be 2.325.
Ending sugar. George 0, Alpha Nancy Sugar, you're 59.
No, needs to be
Thank you, QRZ.
2.235.
Whiskey Lima, you're 59.
No, that's wrong.
Papa Alpha 3, Whiskey Lima, thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
2.325. Is that right?
South America, come again.
Yeah. So that's the whole size.
Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey America.
Then you need a millimeter.
Eco Alpha 7 Lima, November, Yucatan 59.
A millimeter from there to there.
Gracias. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Delta Lima 0, Bravo X-ray, you're 59. Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Blue Echo 0, Yankee Lima Zulu, you're 59.
Okay.
Thank you, QRZ. Charlie Japan Papa, give me a call again. Italy Udine 5.
Okay, so that's where we want it.
Buongiorno 5-9.
What does that make it thickness wise?
Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
6.7, so that's not a lot, is it?
Mike Whiskey 6
Might get away with that.
India, you're 59.
So you might get away with that, yeah.
Thank you. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Florida 4, Juliet Yankee, Florida, you're 59. Merci beaucoup. Lima Zulu 0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America. Bravo Alpha.
Alright, so that's where we're going to have it. So we need one there. And it'll have one there. One there, and one there. So 4 fixings, that's okay. Now, how can we print that though? Because, oh, we're going to thicken it, aren't we? Thicken it. Yeah, we're just going to thicken it up. Okay, let's thicken it up then.
0, Whiskey, Whiskey, America.
Okay, so we've got to thicken it up, so we're going to have to come with this trajectory down here. And then from this one down here. Okay. And then we want to come. Got to measure that. Oh, should we just go down? Just go down past it and we'll sort it out. Trim it up in a bit. Okay. Getting hungry now. What time is it? 11:45. That's why I do this, because I don't have to eat all the time. Yeah. 7 watts it's drawing now, 256 milliamps into the battery. It's going somewhere. So I've got this charge circuit on. It's taking its time. Right, I've gone quiet there. Let's have a look on 20 meters. Doesn't look very good. Right, where are we going? So we want to come underneath it, do these other two. Bloody hell, this is a nightmare, right?
Thank you very much for the 5 and 8, 5 and 8. consumer from you, but Robo 2 with 5x5 works very well. Thanks a lot and enjoy your activation. Thanks, John. Bye-bye.
Okay. So we've got that. Okay, so we've still got the thread, and when we push it through, still can get the thing inside it. We'll just make one and see what happens with it. You never know. Right, so I need to get rid of that a minute. Cut that off. Paste it in place and cut it. Base aluminium. Paste it in place. Need to push that all the way through to there. And for some reason we've got that middle bit. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got something weird going on here. Those two can stay the same, but these two can't. I need to cut them off, paste them in place, cut them and paste them in place, push them through all the way. X-ray mode. We've got anything left over? No, we haven't. Not there. That's okay. Right, so we've got this. Yeah, we've got this bit now. Looks a bit thicker, but we'll have enough room to put the circle in. Where is the circle? Oh. Oh, it's this side. We're upside down. There it is. And we need the appropriate one this side for the other fixing. The base. Yeah, so that will work. We took advantage of the fact that we haven't got the holes there. Right.
Roger, John. Roger. Delta 1 Lima, Delta. Thank you very much. You're 555 in Munich. Thanks, and 73.
Right, it needs to be 5mm deep. Okay.
Roger, thanks.
Right, so far so good. Now we want another one of these around the other side in a minute. Yeah, so we're okay there. Obviously the fixings will have to be a different length now. I'm going to change them anyway in a bit. Now we need to do the sides. Need to bring the sides out. So we've got to bring the sides out. So we know the side, we know the thickness of it. 6.704. 6.704. We need to bring that to bring that to there, and we'll do that same. There you go. Yeah. Okay. And we need the same again. Copy that down to there. And we need to bring that down to there. And we need to take off that. How do we take that off? We first put a line in. And then we take off that. Now we need another line here. Right, we need to sort out this bit. Take off this line. And that line. That line and the top line. I'll then push this through. Get rid of that, that and that. Push this through to the end. Okay, so we've got that one sorted. So I need to do this side now. Let's just do a save. We'll get there. We will get there. Plastic's okay because you can do 15% infill, so it'll still be lightweight. Right. Alright, let's finish this bit off. So we need to measure that. 6.704. 6.704. Just do that. Almost. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's get rid of these construction lines. Okay, so what have we got? We've got this thing. It might be able to be printed all in one, don't know. We'll leave it as it is. So we've got the holes all the way around there, but we need them the other side as well. Oh, we've got some extra stuff going on here. Where's that coming from? That's weird. Don't get it. Right, I've got some weirdness going on here.
Well, it's getting out out okay. There's no doubt at all. And yeah, thank you for the report.
It's
I'm running
not
probably
there.
a lot more power than you. The station here is running about 1 kW, just under a kilowatt hour, and the antenna is a 2-element cubical quad up at around 40 feet, John. But no, great.
Okay, so what is that?
Yeah, I hope you enjoy your activation there.
Base aluminium.
You work a lot of other stations, I won't hold it. But, nice
Oh, it's my construction lights for the base aluminium.
Later in the year, M7JCL, EN5,
Yeah. They're here. Okay. Right, that's fair enough. So the base aluminium, it's got to be changed anyway. It's got to come back to a bigger. Yeah.
I noticed, by the way, you don't appear to be on QRZ.
Right, so it's need to be exploded. That's it. Okay, bloody hell. It's looking a bit cleaner. Now I've got to translate that one. Oh, we know what it is, so I need to measure. Right, I need to measure the centre of that. Alright, 3.379. Let's go on here and do a 3.379. And we need to know from the edge. Hang on. From there to there, 5.314. That's right, 5.314. So 2.325. Yeah. Okay. Down 5 mil. Right, so we've got. Yeah, looks about right. Okay. Right, so we've got, let's save it again. Oh dear, painful. Right, so we need to bring this up to the edge, just so we can get the fixing in. So we need to expand it by what? 4.204. .204. Okay, looks about right. And we need to go, get out. And 1.2 mil. Can we just do this? Probably not. It's probably made a hollow. No, it hasn't. We're okay. We're okay. Right, these holes are all wrong now, so they're going to have to come out. Let's get rid of those old holes. And also this. I'm going to have to make some new aluminium. That's okay, I can easily do that. It's easier than trying to do all the other thinner bit. This will stick down to the surface. We still need all this, so that's fine. Right, so now we need to take we need that hole there. Can we do a paste in place? Yeah, but that hole isn't going to be that hole. It's going to be a 3mm hole. So let's make it slightly bigger. 1.51. There we go. So we can get rid of that one now. We can push that one through like that. And you could even make it countersunk as well. No, you can't, because we're milling this side. Okay, so it's non-countersunk, because we're not going to turn it over, we're just going to mill from one side. Right, so that's okay. Next one. So we want another fixing here. Well, all I can hear is noise. Okay, so let's do another one. .51. Okay, another one. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird way of offsetting it, but at least if it holds the lid down, that's all we want. Right, so one more over here. Four fixings should be enough. I want it to squeeze onto there, so we might have to, yeah. We might have to reduce this by a tiny fraction to allow the metal, the aluminium, to touch the base. Just enough that you have to look really close to see a gap, and there will be a tiny gap. So basically you can't tell, but the metal will be touching. Okay, so we've got that. Yeah, it looks a bit weird, but let's have a look. Yeah, so we're okay. So yeah, we're fastened. So we've got a fasten there, there, and there. We haven't got no fasten here. That's okay. I could have a fasten here. What would that do? Just gonna check the door a second. So, phantom door knock. Okay, so this will be held from there and screwed against this. Now, does it need a fix in there. No, let's just keep it simple. It'll be held from there to the lid, and this lid will hold it there so it'll stop it rocking. Yeah, should be alright. We can always add more if we have to. Right, so where's the main one gone? There it is. Let's grab that. Let's put it in here. Okay. Right. Okay, so we've done the bottom. We've done the plastic. Need to do the lid, the top lid, I suppose. Let's do the top lid, lid aluminium. And it's almost the same as the bottom. It's almost the same as the bottom, so shall we just, yeah. Alright, let's get rid of that one. Let's copy the bottom. Oh, we haven't coloured this bottom. Why is that? Why is that not aluminium coloured? Don't know why. Don't know why. Oh, probably because I've created some new surfaces. Yeah, I created new surfaces and it put them in the default colour. Right, that's it. Okay, so we want to copy that now. Put it up there. And we need to make it unique. And is that size the right size? Yeah, that's okay. So I need to get rid of these holes. That needs to be pushed all the way through. Okay. So we're going to call that one. Put that on the aluminium lid layer, if I can find it. There, lid aluminium. That's it, and we've still got the base. Now, the only trouble is that's not the right position. So can we flip along the red? Yeah. So I've just flipped along the red, looking X-ray mode. Yeah, they still line up, look. We've got noise going on. Very over-modulated or something.
I'm not sure your 100% location, but I did look it up. I probably do.
Right, okay. So it looks a little bit neater. What's it look like with a knob on?
There we go. Yeah. So you're in the what's the post on quite a bit.
Our shaft is too big now and doesn't actually line up, so we're going to have to change that shaft.
And I don't think that'll make much of a difference, but it might make a slight difference for you.
It's more compact now, isn't it? Smaller. So we're going to have to alter this now to make it reach this. And we need to reverse this shaft. It needs to have knobbles on it instead of, or ball bearing. Did we say we're going to put a ball bearing in it? How can I sandwich a ball bearing in there? Oh, we could just put a ball bearing in the hole. Yeah, we could put several ball bearings in. And then a little bit of grease. And then put this down so it has to, there's enough room for the ball bearing to stay where it is, but then this to snap into place. Maybe we'll have to try that. So in that case, do we need to alter this? No, we don't. We don't. So as long as there's not enough gap for the ball bearing to come out. So what gap have we got? Let's have a look. 1.7. If you use a 3mm ball bearing, it'll probably stay in position and it'll still provide the snapping. So I'll leave that as it is. So the only thing is we need to have a look at the, let's move the crop, move the clamps a minute and the SO239s. Let's have a look down here. So there'll be a ball bearing in there. Ball bearings all the way around there. Drop them in, bit of grease, pop this on, and the lid holds it in place.
I'll probably on the radio a wee bit more. At this time of year anyway, I spend a good bit of time up in St Andrews.
No, that shaft is too long now.
There, so I'll need to get some.
Yeah, it's too long, it's going through the pocket.
For up there and that are stealth, if you like. Okay mate, take it easy.
So I'm going to have to recreate that shaft again.
And then 08ST for your final. Cheers.
So I have to work out the shaft height. So that came, oh hang on, gonna have to come out one. It's not easy to see, hang on, let's do it a different way. Yeah, that can't come out there, so we've got 1.2mm, we've got 0.6 of the mil, so that's can only be 0.6 of a mil, but it will ride on top of the bearing unless we, tell you what I might have to do is just put the hole in for now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna on this one put the hole in just because I've got to get too much accuracy in it. It's very difficult with so we'll make a hole just for that. I mean, you could make a hole if steel ball bearings are going in, you could put the hole straight through as well. Tell you what, let's put the hole straight through as well for all these. It's gone to noise again, isn't it? Let's turn that HF off and listen to the HF. Yeah, so because now we're going to have steel ball bearings just resting in there, they will also act as a Faraday cage, and you'll be able to get a drop of grease from the other side on it. Yeah. Okay, we'll try anything once. Right, so I need a ball bearing now, don't I? Did I create a ball? I've created ball bearings before. Anyway, we'll leave the fact we won't make the ball bearing yet. Oh my god, let's see. So can we print anything out today? Should be able to print some stuff out. Okay, so this needs to be lowered now, so we need to go back off that and that. Oh, we need the sockets only. These other sockets are in the way, I can't see.
To Echo 0 UFJ, to Echo 0 UFJ, G6 setup.
Needs to be longer. It's already unique. Oh, it's not. Alright, so okay, it's close. That'll have to be trimmed. And it's obviously, I can't get to it now because the other stuff's in the way. Alright, so I need to lower it. What's that like? That's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. Right, so I need to go into this bit now.
This is G7UIV, wires X, connected to 41729.
I need to grab all of that. Move it down to there, like that. I could do with knowing how far it was actually. 4 mil. Right, so we need to come out of that to grab that, move that down. No. We need to move the whole thing down. $4 mil. Okay. Right, yeah. So I suppose we could have, we could put a ring crimp there to that main one. Have to run a wire around it. Enough to be able to circle it all the way around, and there needs to be some kind of set stop on it as well. We'll sort that out another time though, the stop. Okay, let's put stuff back. No, we don't want that bit, we want chassis clamps. Right, so now we need some more of these infills at some point. How long been going? 2 hours 48. We'll go till 3 hours. I'll go and make some lunch. Right, so let's sort these out. Is there a way of doing this? Inside the shaft. I should be able to copy, paste in place, and then move it. $90 to 90 mil. And paste in place. Oh, hang on. Yeah. $180 mil. Paste in place. $90 mil. So we've got them. Alright, let's copy them. Oh, hang on. Undo. Oh, yeah. Copy. No, we've still not copied them. Copy, paste in place. Right, we need to flip them. Flip along the blue. And then we need to flip along the red and push them up. Drop them into the L's. Then we need to drop them down a further 1.2 mil. Lose the base aluminium, and then they should be in place. Yeah. Okay. Right, so we've got the brass fixings. I've got the lid. I've got the shaft with a simple switching piece of copper strip. Touches straight on, no wiring or crimps to do. I like the idea of less work.
M7
might not work.
HYJ.
We might have to.
6.
Might have to solder
Foxtrot. Delta.
A bolt head,
calling.
copper bolt head in here or something, or solder a brass or pin. If this is not good enough to touch on, we'll find out though. Either way, we can solder one on and reduce the size of this, tinker with this.
QSY to 450.
So all this needs to be exactly the same, and the spindle. Now the spindle was a spindle 2i. Don't think it was. It might have been actually. So lead aluminium, and the knob. I think that we've got to reduce the size because we took the plastic away. So the base plastic is still there, but we're not using it. That's a different one. So I think it was 2.5 mil. What have we got here? 2.6, yeah. So when we put the actuator on, it's too much gap. So what we need to do is move that one down by 2.5 mil. Hide the actuator, and we need to shrink this down by 2.5 mil. Okay, so we've got that, and we've got the actuator back on. That's better. Okay, we seem to be sticking out, yeah, because the original one was supposed to go through plastic. It's now going through aluminium, so it's 1.2, 2.5. So 2.5 minus 1.2, 1.3. So we need to just reduce that by 1.3. Now, something doesn't look right. Undo. What size have we got there? We've got 1.5. Okay, something's not quite right, so 0.6. Don't know.
Is that children playing on daddy's toys, I wonder? Mike 3 Bravo Delta, my portable.
Alright, so yeah, we'll leave it at that. Okay. That's okay. Right, so there we go. Oh, these fixings are wrong. These fixings are going to be changed. So there won't be, no longer be countersunk. We need to keep them then. So, oh well, we'll modify this one. We're going to use this one anyway. So it needs to be right, this needs to be from there to the front, wherever the front is. 4.254 bigger. 4.254. Of course, it's altered the other design, but never mind. I've made it for a pan head, so let's change it. We'll keep that fixing. Oh, it could be a socket head instead. Yeah, it probably will be. Alright, let's change that to a socket head then. Change it to a socket head, so we need to get rid of let's try and get rid of something. Can we get rid of that? And keep that and that. Yeah, get rid of that. Let's make it into a socket head. We already found out the size of it. I forgot it though, so I'll measure it again. Measure it again. 5.5. 5.5. Oh, let's get the other size as well. By 3. 3.5. 5.5 by 3.5. 5.5 by 3.5. So it's 2.25, and that will give us a. Oh no. .5, so it's, okay, it's 2.75. Yeah, and it needs to be 3.5. 3.5. Okay, we need to get rid of that and put a socket head in it. I suppose that'll be close enough. Drop that socket head down 2.5 mil. And let's bring that in 0.25. Okay. That's close enough. Let's colour it.
0 TBA, M0 TBA, micro KJD. Are you by the coil frequency, Tony?
Let's colour it. I like colouring in. Let's colour in, that's easy. Anyone can do colouring. Did that at school. Anyone can colour stuff. There's always one left. Is that it? No, it can't be. Yeah, it is it. Okay, it's a different colour to the nut. I don't care. I do really, but I ain't gonna do it again. Why is that washer weird? Okay, it's a different side. Don't matter. Right. Okay, so we've got the fixing sorted out. Yeah, I need some little ones for the top of there. Just the fixing this time. Paste it there. Right, we need to flip along the blue. Make it unique. And we want to go through 1.7mm plus 5mm. So it only needs to be...
This is G7UIV.
That's 12mm long, so we want 6 point... Oops, that's not right. What have I done? Closed my calculator down. Thought I didn't need it again. 12mm minus 6.2. 5.8. Okay, so we've got a little screw and a longer screw. Let's put it in place. Put it in place here. Let's bring it up a little bit. Let's bring it down. That's it. So we've got our screw and we need to copy it, paste it in place. Oops, no, undo that. Paste it in place and rotate it.
0 TBA, M0 TBA, Mike KHOD, are you by the call frequency, Tony?
Rotate it 180. Right, copy them again. And do it 90. Then copy them. Paste them in place. Move them down. Like that, and then flip them along the blue and then flip them along the red, turn it upside down and drop them in all the way into the surface. That's it. Okay, so we've got all our fixings. We've got our fixing count. So we've got 8, 16 plus another 8, 24. Some of them are different size though. Yeah. Come back. Right, anyway. Is that it? Oh, are we there? So, lid aluminium. Any more fixings to go in now? Oh, there's that one there. Yeah. So that should be one of them really. Anyway, that's just a representation. Okay, I think that's about it. So we can start printing some stuff out. Now what we could do really is with these SO239 sockets, but we've got to start somewhere. So I did have some ball bearings left off a project I did already, so I should be able to find some ball bearings. So what can I do now? I've got to print a new shaft, mill out a top and bottom aluminium, and print these out. Yeah, and that's it really. Yeah, okay. Leave me to do that then. How long's that? Oh, gone over the 3 hours anyway. Right, let's put it all back together. So it's going to look plastic from the outside, but it's going to be screened as best as we can. Alright, you can change these for panhead if you want. I did use panhead originally, but I'm trying to keep it all the same. Right, anyway, that's going to do us for today. Which one do you want? Not that one, it's too much going on. Let's hide the top aluminium, there you go. That's going to be it, save that, right. Okay, I'm out of here. So that is simplify the design and evolution. So yeah, it's evolved from what it was. Thanks for watching, catch you next time, bye bye.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.